50 and Beyond, and today on Women 50 and Beyond, my name is Tara Love Diva, and as you can see in the title, I am making pumpkin spice iced coffee using iced coffee cold brew. Yeah, that. So, with that being said, if you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are an OG, welcome back. Do me a favor, pause the video, subscribe to my video, comment, like, and thumbs up this video, and turn on the bell notification. That way you'll be notified each time I upload. Now we got that out the way. I love coffee. I am a coffee drinker. I drink coffee in the morning. So I drink iced coffee in the afternoon when I just need a woosah moment, when I'm gathering up my thoughts. Or after I have lunch or something, I drink me a cold iced coffee. And it has to be cold and a little sweet. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to put a little spin on my pumpkin spice coffee, iced coffee. So with that being said, I am using, and I'm going to say thanks to Starbucks, I'm using the cold, excuse me, I act like I had coffee. I'm using the cold brew from Starbucks. This is the medium roast, and this is the vanilla flavor. I didn't have the plain, so we're going to go with this and see how vanilla and pumpkin spice go together. It might work. Oh yeah, it will work, because I mean, anywho, we'll get to that. So if you want to see me do a series on iced coffee or coffee itself, let me know in the description box, and I would do a series on coffee, because I love drinking coffee. I love making coffee. I don't just make cold coffee or hot coffee. I also make espressos and lattes. So I haven't done them on camera because it's time consuming, but we are drinking the Starbucks cold brew coffee. Let's get on to this video. All the ingredients I am using the cold brew. I have the pumpkin spice. I'm using pumpkin spice simple syrup. I'm using vanilla simple syrup. My spin on it, I'm putting caramel in the bottom of my glass. And we're going to use the half and half milk with some ice inside my wine glass. Yes, I said my wine glass. And we're going to use my frother. If you don't have one of these, you should get you one of these. I have another one. We're going to test it out on the other coffee pumpkin puree. So get you one of these here. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then we got my measuring spoon. So if you want to see all the ingredients, check out my Instagram. So I'm just going to throw in some Halloween music while I make my pumpkin spice iced coffee. Let's cue the music.